In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make drop-down lists on cells with existing data here in Google Sheets. So let's say you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to turn this column right here into a drop-down menu. Now in this range, we have at least 4 unique values that will be added into our drop-down menu. Now normally if we want to do this, let's say I'll copy this one, and this one right here. If we want to create a drop-down menu, let's say over here, what we're going to do is to select the range first, then go to data validation right here and add a rule. So we have our range right there, and now we're going to input our options, or we can select drop down from a range. So from that, we're going to select this one right here, and once we say OK, it's already added into our drop-down menu. When we click on Done, you'll see that from here, we have those choices. Now that's how you traditionally do it. But let's say you already have that existing range right here. Instead of doing all of that, all you have to do is to select that range, right-click on it, and go to drop-down. Once you tap on that, it's automatically turned into a drop-down menu with all those unique values found in that range. So I stand corrected. There are more than 4 unique values in that range. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unique values that if you click on this drop-down, they will be found right here. So let's say on this data, this applicant changes her mind and will be applying for a different position. Let's say she's going to go to sales, and there you have it. You can easily just select that value from this drop-down menu. So that's how to make a drop-down list on cells with existing data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.